Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another unboxing and informative video. Today we're doing an unboxing of the USB Type-C wall charger equipped with PD technology. This is also by TECHDOTY. So let's go around the box real quick. It has a 5 volt and 3 amps. Let's see. It does 15 watts USB-C port. It has entire protect, fast charge. Let's check on the back of it. Let's see. It supports fast charging, changing port output up to 15 watts, which is 5 volts and 3 amps. Over current and over voltage protection, USB-C port design. And basically the company is saying to resolve any worry about the product, you have a 30-day return, any reason, 18-month warranty, and a lifetime technical support. And all right, so no further ado, let's go ahead and check this out, guys. All right, here we are. It says, thank you for choosing TECHDOTY. So shout out to TECHDOTY, all right, for making this product. All right, this is, wow, this is a nice size wall charger. Okay, let's go ahead and take the wraps off. Wow. Okay, check that out, guys. All right, and we got the USB-C. Oh, now this is interesting. USB-C to USB-C. The other ones was just USB-C to USB-A. So here we are. Okay, I'm gonna plug that up right there, and there we have it. And it says happy. All right, and it's just some stuff you want to read about. It says enjoy living your slightly smarter smart life. Share your experience on Amazon page and email them if you have any concerns, anything like that. Then it has not happy. Then you just tell them if you're not happy with the product. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug this up, and we'll get back into the video. All right, guys. So we're back with the setup and installation. I plugged it up, and we're about to see how fast and how effective this cable and charger is. All right. We're going to see if it charges super fast while we're on camera. And that should give you your results. All right. So this phone is completely 100% dead. All right. So it says battery is too low. All right. So we're going to see if it'll juice it up a little bit faster while we're on camera. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, guys. So it's been about 2 minutes. Let's see where we got so far. Wow, 3%. It's already charged at 3%, less than 2 minutes. So that should tell you a little something. Maybe, you know, this is actually fast charging, and the 15 watts is working, and 5 volts is actually put in place. So yeah, guys, this is the unboxing and setup and first initial impressions of this product. USB Type-C wall charger equipped with PD technology by TECHDOTY. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think this charger is actually putting out the volts and amps that it's supposed to? And how fast do you think this is actually going to charge from 0 to 100? So I'll let you guys know my full results in the next video. All right, it's your boy, Two Phones. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Deuces.